Om Swastiastu. Hello, welcome to Novi's Bali Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most popular dessert in Bali called Sumping Waluh, or Balinese steamed pumpkin cake in banana leaf. So for this recipe we need 500 grams of pumpkin, 100 grams of fresh grated coconut, 150 grams of rice flour, 100 grams of grated palm sugar, and I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of salt. And also we need banana leaf. So the first thing I'm going to do is grated the pumpkin. And now I'm going to add fresh grated coconut, grated palm sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And mix it well. Mix it until the water comes out from the pumpkin. And now I'm going to add the rice flour. And mix it again. Now it's ready. Let's prepare the banana leaf. So cut the banana leaf about 15 centimeter wide. And cut this hard part. And this one as well. So while we put this pumpkin cake into the banana leaf, I'm going to prepare the steamer. So by the time we finish this, steamer is ready. So now I'm going to show you how to put the pumpkin into the banana leaf. First thing you do, take 1 banana leaf and put 1 tablespoon of pumpkin. And roll it. Squeeze. Squeeze. And also you can make smaller or bigger, it's absolutely up to you. So we have finished to put the pumpkin into the banana leaf, and now we're going to steam them for 45 minutes. So first thing, let's check the steamer. I think the steamer is ready, so we just put them inside. See you in 45 minutes. Hello, I'm back. It's been 45 minutes and now the Sumping Waluh is ready. Like you can see here, the color of the leaf is changed, and also the texture is gonna be harder than before. So let's open one. Like you can see here, the color is so bright and smell really pumpkin, and also the texture is harder. I can't wait to eat it. So let's split the others. Here we are, Sumping Waluh, Balinese steamed pumpkin cake in banana leaf. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes, and see you next time. Matur suksema, bye bye.